In this video, I'll show you how to share files and folders on OneDrive in a quick, simple, and secure way. Whether you want to send a document to a coworker, share a folder with a team member, or give someone view-only access to a file, OneDrive makes it easy to control exactly who can see your content and what they can do with it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go to onedrive.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your OneDrive dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to find the file or folder you want to share. You can share almost anything stored in OneDrive, including documents, photos, spreadsheets, folders, and other files. Next, click once on the file or folder to select it. This step is important because OneDrive needs to know exactly what you want to share. After selecting it, look at the top of the page and click the Share button. Once you do that, OneDrive will open the sharing options, and this is where you can decide how people will access your content. Now you'll see different sharing settings. One of the most common options is Anyone with the link. This means anyone who gets the link can open the file, depending on the permissions you choose. This is great when you want to share something quickly and don't want to enter every email address manually. Another option is Specific People. This is a better choice if you want more control and only want certain people to access the file or folder. After choosing who can access it, you'll also need to choose what they're allowed to do. If you want them to only look at the file, select Can View. If you want them to make changes, select Can Edit. This is one of the most important parts of sharing on OneDrive because it lets you decide whether the other person is simply reviewing the file or actively working on it with you. If OneDrive asks you to apply the changes, click Apply to confirm your permission settings. This finalizes the sharing rules before the link is created. Then you can either click Copy Link or type in the email addresses of the people you want to share with. If you use the Copy Link option, you can paste it into an email, message, or chat. If you enter email addresses directly, OneDrive can send the invitation for you. Once the link has been copied or the invite has been sent, send it to the people you want to share with. As soon as they open the link, they'll be able to access the file or folder based on the permissions you selected. And that's it. Your file or folder is now shared through Microsoft OneDrive. A quick tip before you go, always double check whether you chose Can View or Can Edit, especially if you're sharing sensitive files. If you only want someone to review a document, View Only is usually the safest option. And if you're sharing a folder, remember that every file inside it may also become accessible based on the same permissions, so it's worth reviewing everything before you send the link. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, step-by-step software guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.